Have you ever wondered why some women effortlessly command respect from men, while others struggle to be taken seriously? It's not about beauty, wealth, or social status. Instead, it's about the way you carry yourself, the way you communicate, and the boundaries you set. Many women unknowingly give away their power, allowing men to treat them with less respect than they deserve. This lack of respect often leads to frustration, self-doubt, and unhealthy relationships, where you constantly feel undervalued. The worst part? You may not even realize how your everyday actions are affecting how men perceive you. But here's the good news: you can change this dynamic immediately. In this video, we'll break down 31 plus practical and proven ways to earn a man's instant respect. Let's dive in. Number 1. Speak with confidence. Studies show that people perceive confident speakers as more intelligent, competent, and even more trustworthy. The way you speak shapes how others see you, so ditch the fillers like or I guess that weaken your message. Instead, speak clearly, maintain steady eye contact, and own your words with certainty. Confidence isn't just about what you say, it's about how you say it. A strong, assertive voice commands attention and respect, making others more likely to value your opinions. When you communicate with clarity and assurance, you naturally project an aura of self-respect that demands the same from others. Number 2. Maintain boundaries. Men admire women who confidently set boundaries and stand by them. If he repeatedly cancels plans, ignores your messages, or disrespects your limits, don't brush it off. Demand the respect you deserve. Number 3. Dress for self-respect. Confidence starts with how you present yourself. It's not about expensive brands or following every trend. It's about wearing what makes you feel strong, elegant, and in control. When you dress with self-respect, you naturally command attention and set the tone for how others treat you. Own your style with pride. Number 4. Keep your promises. Your word is your power. When you make a promise, keeping it shows integrity, strength, and reliability. People respect those who follow through, no matter how small the commitment. Whether it's showing up on time or keeping a secret, consistency in your actions builds trust and proves your character is unshakable. Number 5. Have your own life. Independence is magnetic. Men respect women who have their own dreams, friendships, and passions beyond a relationship. When you build a fulfilling life, you radiate confidence and self-worth. You're not waiting for someone to complete you. You're already whole. Prioritize your happiness, chase your goals, and watch respect naturally follow. Number 6. Speak up when disrespected. Your voice matters. If he makes a rude joke, dismisses your opinion, or crosses a line, don't stay silent. Address it firmly but with grace. Calm confidence speaks volumes. Speaking up not only sets a clear boundary, but also shows you value yourself too much to tolerate disrespect. Respect starts there. Number 7. Show self-control. Strength is in your composure. Overreacting to small problems can make you seem unstable, but maintaining self-control shows wisdom and confidence. Take a breath, assess the situation, and respond thoughtfully. A woman who handles challenges with grace commands respect, proving she won't be shaken by temporary emotions or petty drama. Number 8. Be selective about who you entertain. Your time and energy are valuable. Don't waste them on people who don't treat you right. If you tolerate disrespect, it sends a message that you accept less than you deserve. Set high standards, surround yourself with those who uplift you, and let go of anyone who doesn't value your worth. Number 9. Handle criticism gracefully. Criticism isn't always an attack, it's an opportunity to grow. Men respect women who listen, reflect, and respond with confidence rather than defensiveness. Handling feedback with grace shows emotional intelligence, self-awareness, and strength. Instead of reacting impulsively, absorb what's useful, discard what isn't, and prove your resilience through calm composure. Number 10. Avoid gossiping. Your words define your character. Gossiping may feel tempting, but it damages trust and makes others question your integrity. Instead of tearing people down, uplift and focus on meaningful conversations. A woman who avoids gossip radiates confidence, maturity, and class, earning deep respect from those who appreciate authenticity and positive energy. Number 11. Expect effort from him. Know your worth. A respectable woman doesn't beg for attention or chase a man who won't meet her halfway. If he's interested, he'll show it through consistent effort, not empty words. Expecting effort isn't being demanding. It's valuing yourself enough to only invest in someone who genuinely values you back. Number 12. Walk away from disrespect. Walking away from disrespect isn't weakness, it's power. Nothing commands respect more than refusing to stay where you're not valued. If someone dismisses your feelings, crosses boundaries, or takes you for granted, don't beg for better treatment. Instead, step away with confidence, knowing that self-respect always outweighs the fear of letting go. Number 13. Own your mistakes. Accountability is a sign of strength. If you make a mistake, own it with honesty and humility. Excuses and blame only weaken your credibility, but admitting fault shows maturity and self-respect. People admire those who learn from their missteps, grow, and move forward with confidence instead of hiding from the truth. Number 14. Master the art of silence. Silence speaks volumes. Instead of arguing or over-explaining, sometimes the most powerful response is none at all. It forces others to reflect, commands attention, and shows emotional control. A woman who knows when to stay silent exudes confidence and wisdom, proving she doesn't need words to make a statement. Number 15. Keep a strong posture. Body language matters. Standing tall and maintaining good posture signals confidence and authority. Number 16. Be financially independent. Even if you're in a relationship, having your own income gives you control over your life, making you less likely to tolerate mistreatment. Number 17. Respect yourself first. Men take cues from how you treat yourself. If you constantly put yourself last, they will too. Number 18. Don't be overly available. Scarcity creates value. If you're always at his beck and call, he won't respect your time. Number 19. Use direct communication. Instead of saying, "I wish you would call me more," say, "I expect consistent communication in my relationships." Number 20. Handle rejection with grace. If a man loses interest, move on with dignity. Desperation kills respect. Number 21. Show that you can walk away. Nothing earns respect faster than knowing you won't stick around for bad treatment. Number 22. Stop explaining yourself too much. You don't need to justify your decisions. Say no and leave it at that. Number 23. Keep your private life private. Mystery creates intrigue. Oversharing can reduce the level of respect others have for you. Number 24. Have standards and stick to them. Having standards isn't about being difficult. It's about knowing your worth and refusing to settle for less than you deserve. Men respect women who stand firm in their values, even when it's inconvenient. When you don't bend just to please someone, it shows confidence, self-respect, and strength. If you allow disrespect, broken promises, or half-hearted effort, that's exactly what you'll continue to receive. But when you set clear boundaries and enforce them, you command respect without even asking for it. A woman who knows what she wants and refuses to lower her standards attracts people who genuinely value and appreciate her. Number 25. Be kind but not a doormat. Kindness is attractive, but being a people pleaser lowers respect. Balance is key. Number 26. Own your happiness. A study from Yale found that people respect those who take responsibility for their own happiness rather than relying on others. Number 27. Show emotional maturity. Emotional maturity is a powerful trait that instantly earns respect. It means handling situations with grace, thinking before reacting, and avoiding unnecessary drama. Instead of letting emotions control you, you stay composed, communicate effectively, and approach conflicts with logic and understanding. People admire those who can navigate challenges without resorting to outbursts or blame. When you demonstrate emotional stability, you create an atmosphere of trust and reliability, making others feel safe and valued around you. A woman who controls her emotions rather than being controlled by them exudes strength, confidence, and an undeniable sense of self-respect. Number 28. Keep a high social value. The company you keep shapes how others see you and how you see yourself. Surround yourself with people who uplift, respect, and inspire you. When you're valued in your social circle, it naturally boosts your confidence and presence. High social value signals self-respect, making others admire and treat you accordingly. Number 29. Set the tone early in relationships. The beginning of a relationship sets the foundation for how you'll be treated. From day one, establish your standards. Show what you accept and what you won't tolerate. If you allow disrespect early on, it will continue. Setting the tone with confidence ensures you're valued, respected, and never taken for granted. Number 30. Don't try to impress him. True confidence comes from within, not from seeking validation. When you stop trying to impress him and instead focus on being the best version of yourself, you radiate authenticity and self-worth. Men respect women who know their value and don't bend over backward for approval. Chasing admiration often comes across as insecure, but when you prioritize your own happiness, passions, and growth, you naturally become more attractive. Respect isn't earned by proving yourself to someone, it's gained by standing firm in who you are. Let him admire you for your confidence, not because you're trying to win his attention. Number 31. Have a growth mindset. Always be learning and improving. People respect those who strive for growth. Earning a man's respect isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about valuing yourself so much that others have no choice but to do the same. Which of these points resonated most with you? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on self-worth and relationships. See you in the next one.